Alright, we're heading home from Ireland early. And we're supposed to leave on Sunday. It's Thursday. And if you are familiar with international news, last night President Trump announced that there was a travel ban from Europe. We didn't know the details. We booked the first flight back to the United States. So this is Aer Lingus Flight 164 from Dublin, Ireland to London Heathrow in the UK. I'm in seat 16A. It's an Airbus A320. It's a windy, rainy day here in Dublin, so I hope you enjoy the views that we get. Probably mostly after we clear the cloud layer.
The front, left and right. Two doors
Push back and engine start from gate 335, which is an out of terminal gate. We push back at gate 335,
to make your way to the nearest exit.
335C
Please
is
the
our
exit nearest to
departure.
you, bearing in mind a baby behind you. If the cabin pressure fails in orchestra mask light, this one will be lowered automatically in front of your face. Should this happen, pull the mask down fully, place it over your mouth and nose, and secure with the elastic strap. Please attend to your own mask first before attending to young children or other passengers.
Cloud layer in Dublin. A lot of gusty winds down low and some rainy conditions, but that cloud layer is pretty shallow and we're pretty well above it now.